Sup, guys? Frank, for Factual Sports.
Where's the tattoos?
They left, I told you. Live with our last break. Break 30, 20, Series 1, 16, 17, double box break. I'm pretty sure I'm going to pull another monster.
You're drunk.
I'm not drunk. I only pull monsters. Break 13, 20. Let's do this. Good luck, everybody. 20 packs per box, one hit per pack. Maybe sometimes we got two. That's fine if we have Idolus Young Gun. Pack number one, we start with a Young Gun for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Zach Hyman. He has 2 assists tonight. Pack number 2, Shining Stars for the San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. Third pack, sorry, Canvas for the St. Louis Blues, Jake Allen. Smoked a cigarette earlier. We have a Shining Stars Blue for the Chicago Blackhawks, Artemi Panarin. We have a game jersey for the Dallas Stars, Jason Spezza. Young Gun, Detroit Red Wings, Anthony Mata. We have a Shining Stars for the Detroit Red Wings, Peter Mrazek. We have a portrait for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby.
Best player in the world?
Best player ever. You're right, Frank. Oh no. Young Gun for the Toronto Maple Leafs, William Nylander. It's not bad. We have a Young Gun Canvas, Carolina Hurricanes, Sebastian Aho. We have a Canvas for the LA Kings, Tyler Toffoli. Young Gun New Jersey Devils, Steven Santini. We have the Edmonton Oilers, Matt Hendricks. Goalie Nightmare, New York Rangers, Matt Zuccarello. We have the portraits of Matthew Murray, Pittsburgh Penguins. Young Gun Carolina Hurricane, Trevor Carrick. We have the Canvas New York Islanders, Brock Nelson. Portraits Washington Capitals, Evgeny Kuznetsov. Hey, don't put your hands there. Where? Your tattoos. They left. It was Frank. Goalie Nightmare, Anaheim Ducks, Corey Perry. Thanks, Frank. That's appreciated. Take my base.
Good pleasure, Jojo.
We have the Shining Stars of my boy, Pittsburgh Penguins. Sidney Crosby.
Teach him how to skate.
Yep. Don't put that. Oh, yeah. It's okay. Thanks. Yeah. You're a good guy. Tom Wilson, Washington Capitals. For now, I'm having trouble with my big hit detector. New York Rangers, Pavel Buchnevich.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Yeah, I think box number 2 is going to be better. We have the portraits for the Flyers, Shane Gostisbehere. And last pack of box number 1. We have a base card of Richard Nash. But we have a goalie nightmare, Carolina Hurricane, Jeff Skinner. So that's it for box number 1, Frank. He left. Box number 2. Pack number 1, we start with a goalie nightmare, Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. We have a portraits, Washington Capitals, Alexander Ovechkin. Young Gun, Winnipeg Jets, Kyle Connor. Shining Stars, Blue, Washington Capitals, Nicholas Backstrom. We have a printing plate. It's the Magenta. Vancouver Canucks, Bo Horvat. 1 of 1. Young Gun, Arizona Coyotes, Christian Vorak. Shining Stars for the Winnipeg Jets, Mark Scheifele. Portraits, New York Islanders, Travis Hamonic. Young Gun, Colorado Avalanche, Chris Bigra. We have a canvas random, of course. Chicago, Patrick Kane, and Ottawa, Erik Karlsson. Gonna do the random at the end. Maybe Frank's gonna do it, huh, Frank? We have a canvas for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Jake Gardiner. Young Gun of Danton Heinen, Boston Bruins. So we're not going to get a Austin Matthews Young Gun. We have a goalie nightmare, Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. Shining Stars, Florida Panthers, Jonathan Huberdeau. We have a Super Colossal Ottawa Senators, Chris Neal. Used to fight against him.
Knock him out?
When I was young, of course I knocked him out. I'm a fighter. We have a Young Gun, New York Islanders, Anthony Beauvillier. Portraits for the LA Kings, Drew Doughty. We have a goalie nightmare, Colorado Avalanche, Matt Duchene. Portraits, Carolina Hurricane, Noah Hanifin. We have a canvas, Detroit Red Wings, Dylan Larkin. Shining Stars, Columbus Blue Jackets, Brandon Saad. Canvas, Dallas Stars, Jason Spezza. We We have a young gun, Washington Capitals, Zach Sanford. And our last pack of the night, we have a UD exclusive, Florida Panthers, Aaron Ekblad. We also have a Super Colossal, Anaheim Ducks, Clayton Stoner. So now it's random time. Got a randoms to do for the canvas checklist. Ottawa, Chicago. Let's do this. Yep. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Goes to the Ottawa Senators. So that's it for tonight. Hope you had fun. Hope to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we have, what do we have tomorrow? A case of Series 1 14-15. Oh, so don't miss that, guys. See you tomorrow. I had fun tonight.